Kevin with IPC Eagle. Today we're going to talk about the CT230 Rider Scrubber. The CT230 comes in two configurations, a 40-inch disc and a 42-inch cylindrical. Let's talk about how the disc works. When you choose the disc version, the clean solution is delivered to the middle of the brushes, and the brushes counter-rotate, scrubbing the floor with the squeegee to follow behind to pick up the dirty solution. When you choose the cylindrical version, now it's a scrubber sweeper. The solution is delivered to the front brush, which is going to be turning with the forward motion. The second brush is going against the forward motion, capturing all the debris, tossing it up and into the hopper, and then the hopper allows the solution to come out and the squeegee to pick up the dirty water. The unit operates off of 6 volt batteries, making it a 36-volt system. You can get maintenance-free batteries or traditional flooded batteries. Based on the battery pack that you choose, you can get from 150,000 square feet to 250,000 square feet on a single charge. The unit has resettable breakers and fuses, which protect the electrical system and the motors. The unit has 54 gallons clean solution. When the solution is delivered to the brushes, it goes through a valve first, which is in the off position, then goes through a pre-filter, then goes to a pump motor, and then goes to a solenoid. If you're depressing the accelerator, the solution will be delivered to the deck, which will go into a trough, which will feed the front brush as you're scrubbing the floor. When you buy the cylindrical version, the brushes are already be installed. But if you need to remove the brushes for cleaning or just rotating them, here's how simple it is. First, remove the knob that holds the skirt in place, then swing that door open, then go to the knob that holds the plate in place, remove that, then grab the plate and pull it off the deck, exposing both brushes and pulling the brushes out. When reinstalling the brushes, make sure you take the polygon shape and put that in first, as that's the drive side of the brush. Then take your plate and insert it into the brush and put your knob back on. Once you tighten that knob, put your skirt back in position, take your other knob, all done. To lower the tank, simply push on the green fitting so it releases. You can fill your machine two different ways. You can use the quick fill, which you attach this to a garden hose, and then this has a quick disconnect, and when you turn the water on, and once it reaches its full level, it automatically cuts off. If you want to do it the traditional way, we do have an opening on the top, which again you can just fill with the hose. When it comes to the recovery tank, the water will travel through the squeegee, up the hose, and come out of this pipe. All the water goes through this basket, capturing all the debris so it doesn't get into the bottom of the tank. The tank also has a float in it, which when the capacity is reached, it'll turn off the vac motor and let the end user know on the dashboard that the machine is now full and needs to be empty. You have one last filter you need to check that protects the vac motor, and that's this blue filter. Once a week you need to go ahead, remove this, clean this out, and put it back in place. On the back of the machine is the squeegee assembly. This is how all the dirty water is picked up and put into the recovery tank. To take off the squeegee assembly, you simply disconnect the hose, loosen up the knurl nuts on the back, and then pull it off the bracket. The squeegee system is a two-bladed system. You've got your lead blade that allows the air and the water to go in, and your secondary blade, which is the wiper blade. The wiper blade has 4 sides, the lead blade has 2 sides. Simply remove the hardware, flip the blade, and you're ready to go. Let's review the dashboard. You've got your key to power up the unit. You've got your forward and reverse. You've got your speed control. You've got your 3 pre-programmed buttons. One would be for light cleaning, 2 is for medium clean, and 3 is for heavy cleaning. You've got a horn, and you've got an emergency shutoff. In the middle you have a battery indicator and an hour meter. Okay, let's see this machine in action. Turn the power on, select the program you want, lower your side brooms on the cylindrical version, hit the accelerator, and you're off. Another couple great features of the CT230, when the solution tank is empty, the brushes automatically turn off and raises the deck and then signals you on the dashboard. When the recovery tank is completely full and needs to be emptied, the squeegee assembly raises, the vacuum turns off, and it tells you on the dashboard that you need to empty the tank. So when you have the cylindrical version, it's a scrubber sweeper, so it's sweeping while it scrubs. So don't forget to go ahead and empty your tray every time you empty the recovery tank. And you simply do that by pulling it out and getting rid of the debris. So that's our CT230 Rider Scrubber. For more information, visit us at ipceagle.com. Thanks.